Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, higher highs and higher lows. So in other words, the uptrend continues, and definitely some updates and adjustments need to be made. First adjustment is just, and the question to ask yourself is, okay, well, what direction is this adjustment being made? And now that we have more data, very clear that the newest level of resistance is now going to be right up there at the $8 mark. I mean, not to insult my intelligence, but you saw I needed to adjust that red line in the upwards direction. And as a general rule of thumb, that's always a good thing. Whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher, that does imply that the price is putting in a higher high. And from a trend building perspective, that's what it's all about. Higher highs are definitely a good thing, and that's what played out here. So again, newest level of resistance up there at $8. Then another adjustment that needs to be done is bring this level of support up to 98. And again, you saw what direction that needed to happen. And again, whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, that also implies that higher lows are being put into place. So higher highs, higher lows, that's what you want, and that's what happened and was accomplished today. Now, I do realize that there's a bit of perspective that goes into it, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 2 minutes, well then, yeah, from that perspective, things are not looking so good because the price totally pulled back. But assuming you do care about things from the general grand scheme of it all, then even with the pullback, the price is still just simply going through a little healthy consolidation here. And, those higher highs, higher lows, as I've said several times now, that is by far what matters most. So a great way to start off the new week. And as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher bases, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So let's see what this one has in store. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.